हेलो फ्रेंड्स। हेलो वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आई विश ये वाली वीडियो मैं जब इन्वेस्टिंग स्टार्ट कर रहा था वुड हैव सीन दिस वीडियो। तो टुडेज वीडियो इज अबाउट द मिस्टेक्स आई विश आई डिडंट कमिट, और आई विश आई न्यू about before I started investing or when I started investing. So without wasting further time, let's get right into it. So first mistake people usually make कि उन्होंने रिसर्च कर ली, okay, this is a good stock to buy, they bought the stock, and फिर उसका प्राइस नीचे गिर रहा है, मार्केट डाउन जा रही है, एंड ऐसे फैक्टर्स इन हो रहे हैं जो कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स नहीं इफेक्ट कर रहे, बट स्टिल द स्टॉक वैल्यू इज गोइंग डाउन। So इसीलिए the great investor Warren Buffett, he said, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. So if stock is going down, that is an opportunity for you to buy more because you should have faith and confidence in your own research. Fundamentals सब सही है, then that's not a reason to sell. So ऐसे example like I invested in a stock named Palantir. I started investing in 2022 when it was 2022 beginning, around $20. I started $20 पे. It went down to around $6 or $7. As you can see, यहाँ पे $7 से गया हुआ. So what I did was at $7 I bought more because I was confident in the company that it will grow, the earnings will grow, it has cash flow, it is cash flow positive, it will continue to get in more profits. Its commercial business was growing, and the management was also on track and focused to get the company growing further. And even though puri kafi market it went down more than 50%, even 60 or 70%, but I continued to buy more, and I was able to reap its rewards in 2025 or 2024 even. 2024 it reached around 60. Well, I sold it around 45, 50. Maybe I should have waited for more time to for it to reach 100, but yeah, that is another video. But the point being, you should be buying more stock when it goes down, its value goes down, because if you're getting it at a cheaper price than you bought it earlier. And also one indicator that helps the market fear and greed index, this is for CNN. So you can see यहाँ पे कि मार्केट में अभी क्या चल रहा है, मार्केट में एक्सट्रीम ग्रीड चल रही है, मार्केट as you can see fear and greed index is neutral currently. The market is not having extreme greed or extreme fear. Based on market momentum, call put ratio, stock price, new highs and lows, stock price breadth, ये सब indicators के base पे market का fear and greed indicator है. So if overall market में fear है, that I feel is a good time to buy, rather than when greed is there, when prices have shot up, that would be not a good time to buy because evaluations already बढ़ चुकी होंगी. So that's the first learning. Let's go on to the second learning now. Time in the market matters more than timing in the market, more than timing the exact point when you should buy, or more than timing the market. What this means is, okay, just say if I bought it, started buying it around $20. उसके बाद गिरा ही है. I could have never timed it. It's really impossible to time कि $6 पे जाके आप एग्जैक्ट सारा कैश ऑफलोड करके स्टॉक खरीदोगे. Even the greatest investors are unable to time the market. That is why the time in the market, that is 3 years, mattered more than trying to find a time कि कब खरीदना है, $20 पे खरीदना है या $100 पे खरीदना है. The more time you stay, the more opportunity you have, rather than कि आप टाइम करोगे, अच्छा अभी प्राइस बढ़ा हुआ है, अभी नहीं खरीदेंगे, और नीचे जाएगा तो और खरीदेंगे, और नीचे जाएगा तो अब आप और खरीद सकते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट माय नेक्स्ट लर्निंग विल बी. सो वील टॉक मोर अबाउट इट. आपने रिसर्च कर ली है, यू वेंट थ्रू द फाइनेंशियल्स, यू वेंट थ्रू द क्वार्टरली रिपोर्ट्स, अर्निंग्स, 10K, 10Q, इक्विटी, डेट, पी रेशियो एंड ऑल दोस metrics, and जितना कंटेंट है you've ingested all, and you think this is a good company to buy, then don't go ahead and offload all of your cash at once. Like for example, I started investing in AMD. I started investing when it was around 130 or 140, but it was still going down. I didn't know when it was supposed to bottom, कब bottom. तो जैसे आपको इसके 500 स्टॉक्स खरीदने हैं, तो आई डिसाइडेड लाइक ओके, 100 करके आई ऑफलोड कैश 5 times. आई स्टार्टेड 130 पे, आई ऑफलोडेड, यू कैन ऑफलोड 100. When it goes down to 110, I offloaded 100 more. It went down to 100, I offloaded 100 more. and then it went to 90, you offload 100 more. So आपका average would be 100 110 के करीब, rather than offloading all of it at once when it was 130, when your average would be 130. So that is what dollar cost averaging is, कि आप धीरे धीरे करके चंक्स में खरीद रहे हो स्टॉक और अपना प्राइस एवरेज आउट कर रहे हो ओवर टाइम. And ideally, if the stock goes down more, you should offload more cash because you are confident कि okay, the company financials are good, it will grow over time. So you're getting the same stock at a lower value. You should be able to buy more because long term में वो आपको returns better ही देगा. As you can see now, it went to around 200. It's around 230, 250 right now. I still hold it. My average is around 105 because didn't invest all of it at once. Offloaded, I offloaded my cash chunks में 4 या 5 बारी 100 करके. So advance. And also one key advice, you should not invest all of your cash. You should always keep buffer like अगले 5 6 महीने का अपना expenditures रखे. You should always keep that. But if you want more videos on this topic, I can share those as well. Just let me know. And moving on to the fourth learning. So fourth learning is do not blindly follow any YouTubers or any gurus. It's not their money, it's your money. Or agar, like I also started investing, I followed a YouTuber. I'll give an example. So that YouTuber mentioned if you invest in this stock, your stock will double in 6 months, and it didn't. So you need to do your own research because, and most stock actually fell down 50%. You need to do your own research because if it goes down, you will panic sell if you don't do your own research and you're not confident. So that is one of the most crucial advices. And also, it's about time in the market, as I earlier mentioned. So you need to be patient and your mind needs to be calm. Okay, price गिर रहा है. You need to be confident. Okay, should buy more rather than selling. And hopefully you guys will like the video. ऐसी और videos या ऐसा और content अगर आप चाहेंगे, please let me know. I'm be happy to provide more content related to that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.